19 habits that make people take you seriously. Respect isn't especially difficult to earn, but it must be earned. If you want coworkers and friends to take you seriously, you've got to think seriously about the image you're projecting, from your outfit to your speech to your body language. Here are 19 habits that make people take you serious. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. 1. Arrive early. There's no need to show up to a meeting an hour early, but give yourself a few extra minutes to get in and get settled, or at least protect yourself against the eventuality of getting sidetracked or detoured. This goes for more than just meetings, of course it also goes for interviews, lunches, company functions, and daily work in general. Even if your company has a pretty lenient policy when it comes to punctuality, others in your office will notice if you occasionally show up late. Don't let a simple mistake like lateness compromises your reputation. 2. Always be informed. Speak in a way that lets people know you know what you're talking about and have something to say, and so others like to listen to you. It's not enough to be intelligent. Information is power and people take it seriously. 3. Add value. Make it a point to speak only when you can value to what is being spoken about. Think of ways you can contribute genuinely helpful ideas or details. 4. Be truthful and genuine. The surest way to be taken seriously is to be honest and authentic. They're qualities that don't come along that often. 5. Keep your word. Plenty of people are willing to promise everything to everyone. If you want to be taken seriously, simply keep your word. Always. Never make a promise that you are not 100% committed to, because trust is the foundation of every relationship. You promised to subscribe to my channel, why don't you do it now by subscribing and hit the bell icon to be the first to receive our next videos. 6. Be clear and concise. The things you say and the way you say them are a principal indicator of your competence, so learn to get to the point quickly. Filter out anything that's not essential. 7. Stand for success. How you show your presence is important. When you take yourself seriously, so will others. Allow your presence to make an impact and allow it to stand for success. 8. Be relatable. Tell stories that make you relatable to others. Leave them in awe of who you are and what you know. Draw people in and let them resonate with you. 9. Dress well. Make an effort to dress for the success you want. Even in an era when people are dressing more casually, let your clothes send a message you are taking yourself seriously. When you dress well, people think well of you. The way you dress is the same way people will address you. Remember to subscribe to my channel. 10. Be mindful of your tone. Our tone tells the truth even when our words don't, even when we're unaware of that truth ourselves. Always keep an ear on your tone, because that's what others respond to. 11. Speak with assurance. While you're listening to yourself speak, make sure you're conveying confidence in your words. A common vocal habit is to turn the end of each sentence up with a rising intonation, as if it were a question. It makes you sound tentative and uncertain, and if it's something you do, you need to train yourself to eliminate it. 12. Draw people out. Instead of talking about yourself to persuade people to take you seriously, become a great listener. Let others do the talking, encourage them to speak about themselves and truly listen, and you'll quickly build trust and respect, and a reputation as a great conversationalist. 13. Be respectful. Treating others the way you want to be treated is a surefire way to be taken seriously. When you show respect, you get respect. You don't always have to share the same opinions, but you can always choose to be respectful. Remember to subscribe to my channel. 14. Be confident. While some people may be naturally confident, most of us have to work on it. The exhibition of confidence is going to be your greatest asset in your quest to be taken seriously, because it shows that you take yourself seriously, and if you take yourself seriously, then others probably will as well. Practice confidence by being more assertive in daily situations, practicing good posture, see point 4 here, too, and refusing to be intimidated by the normal stresses of work. 15. Stay quiet until you have something good to say. If you slip up and say something foolish or inappropriate, it's easy for people around you to take you less seriously. Try to keep yourself silent in most situations unless you have something truly valuable to add. Even when you do have something valuable to add, think carefully to structure your phrases well and state your thoughts as concisely as possible. This will make virtually every word coming out of your mouth seem valuable, which in turn will make people take you more seriously. Even a fool who keeps silent is considered wise. When he closes his lips, he is deemed intelligent. Proverbs chapter 17 verse 28. 16. Pay attention to your body language. Body language is important for more than just exhibiting confidence. It makes you seem more thoughtful, more put together, and more experienced in the professional world. There are dozens of things to watch for here, but some of the most important include sitting or standing straight, with your shoulders back, making eye contact when speaking to people, and shaking hands firmly but not too tight. It's also important to keep your hands on the table and avoid fidgeting during meetings, and to allow your face to express your emotions during the course of conversation. 17. Prepare more than you think you need to. Whether it's for a job interview or for a simple morning team meeting, always prepare just a little more than you think you'll need. Do just a little bit more research. Practice your speech just a few more times. Come up with just a few more contingency plans. Chances are, you'll never tap into these preparatory materials to their fullest potential, but when you do get the chance to show off, you'll really impress people. Plus, if you make it a habit, you'll never show up to a meeting unprepared or underprepared, and that's going to make people take you far more seriously. 18. Read the news. This is a simple habit, but it's an important one. Try to keep up with major national and international news, as well as news within your own industry. You won't get a chance to bring up this information every day, but if the topic is ever mentioned by a boss, coworker, or client, you'll be glad you had a cursory knowledge of the matter beforehand. Eventually, you'll develop a reputation for being well-read, and people will naturally assume you're a diligent, focused, hard worker because of it. 19. Remain humble. I saved this habit for last, because it should be held in balance with all the other habits. Throughout your process of developing a better, more serious reputation, it's important to remain humble. Be confident but never cross into arrogance territory. Show how much you've prepared but never brag about it, or do so obnoxiously. Stay quiet but don't avoid small talk in conversations with your coworkers. At times, this can be a hard balance to strike, but humility is an important trait in the workplace when it comes to establishing mutual respect. Should I take you serious? Then please like, share and subscribe to our channel and visit our playlist for more educational, self-development and relationship tips videos, and don't forget to share our videos as well. Thank you.